today I'm going to be talking quickly about some of the architecture and approach that we're using to manage and integrate a wide variety of these various data sets, and then demonstrate some new, shiny, kind of novel visualization methods and data discovery methods. This would be like web-based GIS visualization, numerical models, and then also data catalogs and other discovery interfaces. So basically I'm going to talk about our system data flows, detail some of our architecture and infrastructure, and then again demonstrate these data discovery, visualization, and integration tools. So for both, what I'm going to be describing today is kind of the cyber infrastructure that we're utilizing to support the DMAC subsystems for CeNCOOS and AUS. And this is a DeMarco data flow diagram, and it shows the flow of information into our system and out of our system into the hands of users and external data assembly centers. Basically here down on the lower right side of the diagram are where we ingest a lot of our structured data types. So these are things that are generally produced by machines, so sensor networks, numerical models, grids, remote sensing grids, GIS data. We have a series of model and sensor harvesters, and we ingest the data. Also, GIS information is kind of a more of a manual process, but we store all this information either in Postgres kind of databases or in GlusterFS, which is a high availability distributed cloud-based kind of like file storage system. And we also integrate this information into our ontological database. And so this is what allows us to reconcile the differences and the differences between all the underlying data sets, and also understand that, you know, a sensor that's observing air temperature and a numerical model that is forecasting air temperature, that we're actually dealing with the same parameter. So the ontological database really allows us to integrate data across disparate sources. And we have portals, data portals and search, which is kind of where we provide access to all of our data. On top of those are interoperability systems, so that external data assembly centers, such as like Jet Propulsion Laboratory or IUS or other regional associations, can connect and stream our data through feeds. Up at the top here is another flow of information into our system, and this is for more unstructured, campaign-based research. So field cruises, field studies, a wide variety of the various research that's being done more by human beings performing monitoring projects and biological research. So this is our research workspace, which is really a collaboration tool and data management platform for scientific teams who are doing research to transfer data between themselves, generate metadata, and then ultimately publish information out of the research workspace into our data catalogs.